Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risalatul Aulia. My student's number is 2121222058. I'm from class B. Here, I would like to explain about how to calculate the measure of central tendency, which consists of mean, median, mode, and calculate measure of variability, which consists of range, quartiles, interquartiles, variance, and standard deviation with the calculation process and using a table of frequency. In the last, we will draw the polygons of the data. Wait a moment, I will share the screen first. This is the data that I will use in the calculation process. This is okay. I will change the screen. Okay, let's begin the calculation now. For the first, create a table like this, which consists of score, frequency, x times f, x minus mean quadrat, f times x minus mean quadrat. Okay, and then after this, move the data that I have previously showed in the same column, then sort from the smallest to the largest. The trick is block the data. Wait. Block the data. Go to Sort and Filter and choose smallest to the largest. Okay. Next, move this data to the table. For example, 54 here, 56 here, 60 here, and so on. After this, calculate the frequency of the data. For example, 54, the frequency is 2 because 1, 2. 56, the frequency is 3 because 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay. Oh, this is 40. This is the calculation from the frequency, jumlah total from frequency, and the trick is like this. Wait. Sama dengan sum buka kurung block all the frequency tutup kurung and enter. Yeah, this is the total of frequency. Okay, after this, we will calculate X times F. And the trick is sama dengan X times F. And then scroll down and the result will appear automatically. Okay. And kita jumlahkan jumlah keseluruhan dari X times F dengan cara yang sama pada sebelumnya, yaitu sama dengan sum buka kurung log tutup kurung and enter. Yeah, this is the total of X times F. Before proceeding to the next table, we will first calculate the measure of central tendency, which consists of mean, median, and mode. Okay, for the first is mean. To calculate the mean, the trick is sama dengan jumlah total X times F, this is, divided by jumlah total of frequency, this is, and yeah, this is the mean of the data. Mean is average value of the data, and the next is median. Median is middle value of the data. For calculate median is sama dengan jumlah total frequency divided by 2. The result is 20. It means kita harus mencari angka atau number di urutan ke-20. Okay, this is 78 is the number di urutan ke-20. It means the median is 78. 78. Okay. For the next is mode. Mode is frequently occurring values of the data. We can see, or we can look for the mode. We can find the mode from the frequency, which one the data have the most frequency. Okay, I think 80 is the most. 80 is the number which have the most frequency. I'm sorry. Okay. So the mode is 80. Okay. After we calculate the measure of central tendency, we continue to calculate these three tables. Okay, for the first is X minus mean. And the trick to calculate this is sama dengan X, this is, minus mean. Here we should use dollar. We put dollar here, and here. Okay, and enter. Okay, after this, scroll down and the result will appear automatically. Okay, this is the result. Okay. Kita jumlahkan total dari semua hasil ini with the same tree before, yaitu sama dengan sum, buka kurung, log the data, tutup kurung. Okay, the next table is x minus min quadrat. The trick is sama dengan x minus, sama dengan x minus min times x minus min, and enter. Okay, after this, scroll down and the result will appear automatically. After this, kita jumlahkan semua data ini sama dengan sum, buka kurung, log data, tutup kurung, and enter. Okay, the last table, f times x minus min quadrat, and the trick is sama dengan f times x minus min quadrat. Enter. Okay, scroll down and then the result will appear automatically. Okay, kita jumlahkan semua data yang ada di sini sama dengan sum, buka kurung, log the data, okay, tutup kurung, and enter. Okay, after we calculate all this table, we continue to calculate the measure of variability, which consists of range, quartiles, interquartiles, variance, and standard deviation. Okay. Okay, for the first is range. Range is the distance between minimum and maximum. And to calculate the range, we'll do this trick. Equals wait, I'm sorry, there is some voice. I'm very sorry, I cannot control it, but we can continue our calculation process. Okay, for range is equals the biggest data. Okay, we look for the biggest data is this 96 minus the smallest data is 54 and enter. This is the range of the data. Okay, the next is quartiles. Okay, and the trick is sama dengan buka kurung total of frequency plus 1 tutup kurung divided by 4. Okay, the result is 10,25. It means we are looking for sequence data to 10 this is, and the order of the 10th is 66. It means the first quartile is 66. 66. Okay, then I will bold this. 66. Okay, for the second quartile is same as median, so we don't need to calculate again second quartile. Just write again from median, that is 78. Okay, for the third quartiles, the last quartiles, the trick is sama dengan buka kurung total of frequency plus 1 tutup kurung times 3 divided 4. Enter. Okay, the result is 30,75. It means we are looking for sequence data of the 30. Okay, 30 here, and the order of the 30 is 84. It means the third quartile is 84. 84. Okay, wait, I will check again. 30. Oh, 84. Yeah, 80. Okay, and the next is interquartiles. To calculate interquartiles, the trick is sama dengan the third quartiles minus the first quartiles. And this is the result. The interquartiles from the data is 18. Okay. The next is variance. To calculate variance, the trick is sama dengan buka kurung jumlah total dari f times x minus means kuadrat. It's mean this tutup kurung I'm sorry, divided by 39. 39 is from 40 minus 1. 40 is n is the total of frequency. So, rumus sebenarnya itu adalah f x min kuadrat rumus sebenarnya adalah f times x minus min kuadrat divided by n minus 1. N means the total of frequency. It means 40 minus 1 is 39. And this tutup kurung, divided by 39 kurung. I hope you understand about what I said before about the form or rumus from variance. And enter. Okay, this is the result of the variance of the data. And next is standard deviation. To calculate standard deviation, the trick is sama dengan SQRT buka kurung variance tutup kurung, and this is the result of the standard deviation of this data. Okay, after everything has been calculated from this table, measure of central tendency, measure of variability, the next is we will draw the polygon of the data. And for the step is the first we block score and frequency. Wait, go to insert and recommended charts. Okay. It's needed time. Okay, click this and okay. Okay, this is the polygon of the data. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. We already done to calculate this data. And this is our last part, that is draw the polygon. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Hopefully it's useful for us. I'm sorry if so many mistakes here. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.